Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change birthday on PolyBuzz AI. Okay, so I'd like to go through a couple of things, some users that reveal a potential bug or glitch where users accidentally had their birth year reset to example 2007, which locked their account in pure mode and prevented switching it off even for subscribers. Okay, so these are like bugs. So let's say if there are no bugs and this is not your case, here's how you can update your birthday. So open the PolyBuzz app, which I've done here, and log into your account. Then tap on the profile icon. There's a little icon right there at the bottom corner. And now that you are here, the next thing you like to do is, so here, just go ahead and tap on your profile name that you find at the top. So mine is Amanda Max. So just go ahead and tap on that. And that takes you to this window where you have your username, your gender, and your birthday. So head over to birthday and click on birthday. So tap to open the date selector. So select your current birth date using the date picker, which you have here, day, month, year. And once you're done, just go ahead and tap on confirm to submit it. So the app should display a confirmation like birthday updated successfully. All right. The optional, just exit and reopen the app to ensure changes take effect. This process is described, all right, is described for you to easily change your birth date in PolyBuzz. Okay, so although many users report that even after entering the correct birth year, it is silently reverted to 2007, triggering persistent pure mode with no way to disable it, even for paid users. And users in affected cases report that PolyBuzz support claimed they can't fix it manually and glitch persists across updates. So if your age is stuck or misset, it may lock access to certain chat modes or content due to age restrictions. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps in. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.